I woke up and nobody's here. I'm losing my voice now. That's great. Laylo? 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 Oh. Let's see if he's home. I did my nails last night, and that probably didn't help.
Hello?
Where are you?
Upstairs.
Oh, you don't hear me calling you, bro? You don't hear me calling you?
I'll listen to music. Where are you?
What's that sound? I'm in the kitchen.
Oh
Oh my gosh. That was weird. Where's Daddy?
I don't know.
I found him.
He's not home?
No.
Oh, he went to work.
No, he was supposed to go with Grandpa. The truck is there. I mean, Grandpa was supposed to come. Look, the car's not here. I thought you went with him.
No. Grandpa probably came.
I called him. He didn't answer. He was here at 8:30 in the morning.
Really?
Yeah. Good morning. You know, I can't believe I woke up to no coffee.
Wow. Good job.
Yeah. Ooh.
Well, you have a good son.
What is wrong with this?
Oh, I'm tired.
So I found Kilo. He was doing the car. So he got the tire off, and we have to go and get a new tire right now. So that's what I'm doing. He went to Dunkin'. So I got some Dunkin' Donuts coffee. That coffee was nasty. My lips are so freaking dry. I look a mess. Yesterday was a rough day. But yeah, I'm getting ready. I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is what it's looking like today, because I can't get any better than this. I'm still sick. I'm still freaking sick. And it's not freaking funny. But I'm getting out the house today. Oh, that looks pretty. Shout out to the lights. It looks like I got a filter on it, doesn't it? Hey, thumbnail. I can't even make myself look good. Look at this, babe. It looks like I got a
Right.
See the glistening on it?
Yeah.
Is that cool? Alright, so we are going to try the Navigrip. The Navigrip, guys. See how this baby works. And we'll see if my camera could go on it. That's what I want to know.
It'll fall on this little clip right thing right there, and then it'll stick on there somewhere.
Gotta bring you guys to get cleaned. You dirty. You dirty girl. You's dirty, girl.
What's up, dude?
Hey, Pops, quick question.
Yeah.
If I buy snow tires, should I only buy 2 for the front? Like, I don't need all 4 then, right?
I don't know. I never bought snow tires. I always just buy all seasons.
All seasons?
Well, these tires, Kilo said, hi, Pops.
Hi. I can understand y'all situation because y'all live in such a hilly area.
Yeah. He said it was terrible driving.
I was even stuck, Dad, after you left, I was stuck in my driveway. I couldn't get out. And I was just on a little patch of ice in the back.
No kidding?
Yeah, I had to like burn rubber and everything to get out. You know, the rocking back and forth method.
Really?
And it was struggling, man. It smelled, like all I smelled was burnt rubber. So I'm like, yeah, I gotta get these snow tires. But
So we only need 2 for the front then.
so I should
No, man.
Will you stop laughing at me? What could it be?
I don't know.
Let me try something. Like that?
Nah.
No.
It's like
It's coughing. Like it's trying to turn on. Like you know how it usually goes. I can't.
Instead of going fast, it's going slow. It's like that.
yeah, it doesn't sound like a clicking, like a starter makes that clicking sound. It doesn't sound like a click. It just sounds like the regular way
Like
a car
this.
would start.
That's what it sounds like. Like, but usually you only get 1 and then it turns on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
What? I have to have you take a look at it when you're here.
We got different sound effects for car start.
Yeah.
But, alright. Yeah. Every time I get there to be sitting for a few, and it'll do it when I get there.
Yeah, definitely.
Alright. Okay.
All right, thank you.
Bye.
All right.
It sounds like that, don't it?
Yeah, that was pretty accurate. Let me get my coffee now.
It is
Leave
accurate.
leave it in the house.
It's not a tick 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 tick.
I did.
It's not a It's a
What's up, buddy?
Alright, so we're at the tire place and he's gonna tell us whether or not we need a new tire, but regardless, we're still
Everybody got
gonna
tire problems, huh? That's crazy.
well, yeah, it's winter. We're still gonna get some snow tires and Pop said we could just get snow tires just for the front. So yeah, we're both still sick. So that's what we're doing. So we'll see what happens. I'll let you know, huh? I'll let you know. Okay, guys, we are safe and sound. It only costed us about $300. We didn't get the snow tires. We just got a really good all-season tire, which came out.
We're heading to the house right now, so we'll probably be like in 2 minutes.
Which came out to $300. We had to break off the other locks. Well, he had to break off the other locks, and so we're all good.
Which we got lucky because usually they break the locks for $20.
But he broke them all.
But when they broke the lock, he said it was really easy that he'll break the other locks for me. No
So now we're
extra
good.
charge. So
Yeah, so now we're
definitely
good.
Worth the money.
Now, don't nobody need to be out in the cold. Don't have to worry. Everything's good. So now we're going to get Laylo. We're going to these Kilo bought for like 40 bucks.
So you get another battery.
Oh, I'm dying. And it comes with this lock thing, but don't nobody want to steal my tires.
I don't know anything they had that was a set though. They didn't have like
Yeah,
that.
so no, I don't even know why they put the locks on there. Anyway, the guy said that the tires that were on there were pretty new, but like they were shitty tires. So, I mean, they look new. I think he just shined them up, made them look nice.
What, our tires?
Yeah,
The front
the
ones?
original tires. Yeah,
What,
the old ones.
the old ones? I wonder where they're at. You got them.
Oh yeah.
Yep, they switched them out. That's why these are brand new. That's why they look newer.
So now they'll sell those as used.
They'll probably rubber. They probably
Junk.
give it back to a rubber company and they remelt it
Driving.
and remake tires.
Yeah, right. Sorry, I got bedhead.
Put your head on. You definitely do have bedhead. I'm surprised you're coming out in this world like that. Very soon, Layla will be having his license. He'll be learning how to drive. Just waiting for the man. Waiting for the man.